In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to add Instagram link to your YouTube channel. Let's get started. First, launch your Instagram app, then navigate to the profile page. Click on the option Share Profile. Here, click on the option Copy Link. Once you have copied the URL of your Instagram account, close this, launch your preferred browser. Now type in youtube.com. Once the page loads, tap your profile icon in the bottom right and sign in to your YouTube account. After signing in, click on View Channel and then tap Customize Channel. Click on Continue to Studio. Again, click on Continue. You'll be directed to YouTube Studio page. Now here, you're gonna find this section of link. Click on the option Add Link. First up, give a title to your link, then paste your URL. After that, hit Publish in the top right corner. Now when you visit your profile, you will see your Instagram link in About section. And that's it. This way you can easily add Instagram link to your YouTube channel. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.